To change ringtone on Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll down and go for the sound and vibration. As you are there, simply select the ringtone and you are being forwarded into the themes application, and you can download some more ringtones right here. But if you're willing not to do that, you want to select some regular ringtones, you will have to go for the pre-installed ringtones. And from here go for the ringtone again, and here you can find all of these different sounds which you can set as your ringtone. By tapping on any of these sounds, it gets like selected, and you'll also have the preview of how the sound sounds, as you can see, and it's being applied right now currently, as I just said. So simply now select any ringtone that you'd like and just go back, and as you can see, this ringtone is now selected and the changes apply like immediately. So that's how to change the ringtone.